Ready to transform your Wix website into a powerful native Android app that your audience can access right from their phones. With a few smart steps, you can unlock a more streamlined, engaging mobile experience for your users, offering faster loading times and even offline access. First, let's explore the easiest path leveraging third-party conversion services. These platforms are specifically designed to take your existing Wix site and package it as a functional Android app. You'll want to search for services that specialize in Wix to Android app conversion. Look for options that offer a user-friendly interface, clear pricing, and positive reviews. Once you've chosen a service, the process is typically straightforward. You'll provide your Wix website's URL to the converter. The service then analyzes your website's structure and content to begin the conversion process. This might take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the complexity. After the conversion is complete, you'll usually receive an Android package kit or APK file. This is your application ready to be tested. You can then install this APK on an Android device to test its functionality, ensuring all your website's pages load correctly and interactive elements work as expected. If you're happy with the app, the final step is to submit it to the Google Play Store. Most conversion services will guide you through this process or provide the necessary files and instructions. By following these steps, you're not just converting your Wix site. You're upgrading your mobile presence, making your content more accessible and providing a superior user experience.